Time I laid my eyes on someone like you, I can't forget the moment, that moment with you. Then I have realized what's growing deep inside. I feel the beating of my heart. Cause every day, every night, I keep looking at the skies, and I pray that someday you will wake up in my arms, and love will never end. We belong together, always and forever. Call my name and I'll be there. Spend my days and nights just thinking of you. How you make me wanna smile with the things that you do. When will I hear you say time's coming on your way, and that you start to feel the same? 'Cause every day, every night, I keep looking at the skies, and I pray that someday you will wake up in my arms, and love will never end. We belong together, always and forever. Call my name. It's every day, every night. I keep looking at the skies, and I pray that someday you will wake up in my arms. 'Cause every day, every night, I keep looking at the skies, and I pray that someday you will wake up in my arms, and love will never end. We belong together, always and forever. Call my name and I'll be there. I see F, G, E minor, A minor, D minor, at E. Yan ang ating 7 chords. At ang ating strumming pattern sa verse 1 ay down. Isang down lang sa C, sa first chord. And then sa second chord, hanggang sa matapos na siya, I take 1, 2 downs. Ganyan. Parang ganito. Ganon. First time, I lay my... Ganon. Parang ganon. Ganon. At ang pagkatapos ng verse 1, pagpasok ng chorus, ang ating strumming ay magiging ano na, down, down, up. Halimbawa, nandito tayo sa 'cause every day, every night. Yun. Pagdating ng night, lilipat ka na ng E minor. Yan, ganyan. Every day, every night. Yun, ganon. Kung kuha nyo yan, kung kuha natin to guys. Kaya, tuloy-tuloy lang natin ang ating practice. At sabayan nyo ko sa play along. Hello guys, kung hindi ka naman beginner, ay skip na lang. Itong ating C ay itong ating index finger ay nandito sa first fret, second string, at ang middle finger ay nasa second fret, 4th string at ang ring finger ay nandito sa 3rd fret, 5th string. Yan, at ang kakalapitin lang natin ay itong pang 5th string. Yan ang C. Ang next naman ay ang ating F. Ang ating F ay itong easy F. Yan, hindi na tayo mag-barcode. Itong dito, pero ito lang, kahit isa lang, kahit itong second string, 1st fret, tapos 3rd string, 2nd fret, at 4th string, 3rd fret. Kahit yan lang, okay na. Tapos ang kakalapitin natin itong 4th string. Yan ang F. Ang next naman ay G. Ang G ay nandito sa 2nd fret, 5th string, 3rd fret, 6th string, at 3rd fret, 1st string. Yan. Dito natin kakalapit pala yan buo. Yan ang G. Ang next naman ay E minor. Ang E minor ay nasa 2nd fret, pareho siya nasa 2nd fret, 5th string, and 4th string. Yan. Yan ang E minor. At ang next naman ay A minor. A minor, 1st fret, 2nd string, at 2nd fret, 4th string, at 3rd string. Ang kakalapitin lang natin ay ito. Itong apat. Yan ang A minor. Kaya kahit hanggang dito, hanggang 5. Tapos, D minor. D minor, itong 1st fret, 1st string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, at 3rd fret, 2nd string. At ito ang kalapitin natin, itong apat lang pa, 4th string. D minor. At ang E naman, nasa 1st fret, 3rd string, at 2nd fret, 5th string, and 4th. Pareho nasa 2nd fret. Yan ang ating E. Yan. Ganyan lang kasimple ang ating chords. Kasi ito ay pang beginner. So, tuloy-tuloy na tayo sa ating play along. Okay? Sabayan nyo ko. Salamat sa panonood nyo at kita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod nating video tutorial. Okay? Pag napagod, pahinga lang ang kamay. Okay? Thank you. God bless everyone.